Hello, South Redford community. My hope is that summer is treating you, your families, and friends well. I would like to take a brief moment to provide you with a few highlights. First and foremost, thank you for your support in renewing and restoring our non-homestead millage at no tax increase during the May election, allowing South Redford students to continue receiving the maximum per student funding from Lansing. Thanks to your support, bond renovation improvement projects are continuing to take place at several buildings across the entire district this summer. Together, in May, our learning community celebrated the grand opening of our new Career Technical Education Center. It is with your ongoing support that our hospitality and tourism, welding and fabrication, construction building trades, as well as the health occupations courses began hosting classes for Thurston High School Career Technical Education students this past spring in the newly renovated Innovation Center. It was with your voice and input that the South Redford Board of Education recently improved an updated strategic plan, which will serve as the district's guide for approximately the next 3 to 5 years, providing greater focus in 4 core areas: academics and programs, learning environment and culture, communications and community engagement, as well as personnel and leadership. These 4 identified areas of focus will serve as the primary lenses in which the district will strive to continue to best serve the families of the South Redford School District. Additional communications surrounding these details will be accessible as we continue to partner together to best serve our broader educational community. It is an honor and a privilege to continue to serve as your superintendent, and I look forward to continuing to work together to ensure that every student in the South Redford School District has the opportunity to reach their maximum potential. Please continue to enjoy a safe and rejuvenating summer. Together, we soar. Go Eagles!